Hello, today we will delve into the Certificate in Primary Teaching (CPT) course for IGNOU Guyana, specifically focusing on the course ES202, Teaching of Mathematics. And yes, we have seen the answers in the last part of this video, so do watch the video till the end. Importance of learning mathematics at primary level. Discuss the use and importance of learning mathematics at the primary level from disciplinary, functional, and cultural points of view. 500 words. 2. Competency-based evaluation. Explain the meaning of competency and discuss the main features of competency-based evaluation. 500 words. 3. Lesson plan development and assessment. Select a topic in mathematics at the primary level and develop a lesson plan highlighting the steps involved. Also, develop 5 test items to assess the progress of learning. 500 words. So here are the answers, you can note them down. If you require answers or complete paid assignments, please contact us at the number displayed below, which is 900-936-8238, shown on your screen. We will get back to you as soon as possible. You can send us a direct message on WhatsApp at this number. Thank you so much for watching this video.